Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a layout for Mix It Up Monday, where we use mixed media or things on our layout. And this week, well, actually, I missed the hop. It was actually beginning this week, and I missed it. So today's Thursday. It was on Monday. And it's pretty sad that I missed it because the sketch we are using for the hop, is one of mine. And I'll pop it on the screen now. Okay, so I am doing mine a little bit different, even though it's my sketch. I'm not putting a lot of the mixed media in. So the splatters and the semicircle of paper you can see on the left-hand side, I'm doing something different. So I'm using this, what's it called? Not Hessian gauze, what's it called? Muslin, I think it is. Yeah, so I'm using that as my semicircle. So I sort of have cut it into a bit of a semicircle shape. And that's going to be what is replacing the paper on the left-hand side. Everything I'm using is from the Coastal Bliss collection from Uniquely Creative, except for some seashells I had left over from another project. They were from a cut file. And my title I have created on Cricut Access and then printed and cut it out. So that's my title. My photos are of us. Well, not of us, there's no one in the photos, but it's a walk along the shore near where we live. So they are, I can't speak. They're the photos I'm doing. And the only other thing I'm using is this stamp, which is of a wave, and it's from, so that's it there. Now, these are really old. These are from Kazaz, which is a company that used to be in Australia. It was a direct, what are they called? You had to buy from a representative. They're not available in stores. And I got a heap of them really cheap when I bought, and a lot of them free actually, when I bought a hot foil machine. So this is one of them, but they come uncut, which is a right roll pain because you have to try and cut them, and my scissors are not that great. So I sort of did a hash job of cutting it, and they're unmounted. So I've just used some removable blue dot tape on the back to stick it to this block. Anyway, I'm going to get on with it, and I will come back at the end with the finished layout. So enjoy. Okay, there is my completed layout. Not 100% happy with it, but I haven't scrapped in 5 months, so for the first one back, it's not too bad. Right, I decided to ink around the edge of the title because it just looked too stark on the muslin, whatever that's called. And then I thought, well, I better ink around the edge of the cardstock as well, just to tie that in, give it more a coastal beachy type of vibe. The wave is just enough. I didn't want it to be the focus because it's not really a strong wave beach. It's on a bay, not a surf beach. So even though there are a few small waves, but they're not what you call like a surf beach. What else? I had recently, before I stopped scrapping actually, I bought these craft foam sheets. I see a lot of people overseas using them instead of like the foam dimensionals to pop things up. I've used it on this title. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't even know if it's going to stick. It doesn't appear to be sticking through the muslin to the cardstock, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave that a little bit longer and see. Yeah, so verdict out is out on these. I've got a whole big packet of them too, so there's like 240 sheets of them, so hopefully they're going to work. We'll see. Because the foam dots can get really expensive, so I thought, well, cheap foam sheets off Amazon. If I want them higher, then I double the layer up, but we'll see. Verdict is out at the moment. That one appears to be sticking, so hopefully we will see. The glue obviously is going to take longer to dry on them. And then I just added some fake or faux sea glass embellishments that I had in my stash. And that is it. That is my layout for today. If you've liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And there'll be a playlist below for everyone else who is playing along with the Mix It Up Monday using my sketch. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.